Hello friends, today I am show you how to remove error of not showing drive partition during Windows installation in Lenovo latest models. Plug in bootable USB drive in Lenovo laptop and turn on laptop. And press Fn key and F12 to boot from USB bootable drive. After a few seconds, laptop boot from USB and installation setup start. Okay, let's begin. To start Windows installation, press Next button and click on Install Now. Just accept the application notices and license items. And click Next. Click on Custom Install Windows Only. As you can see, no partition show to installation in that area. Just quit the installation setup and restart your laptop. We just need to change the BIOS setting in order to show hard drive partitions in the partition area. Press and hold Fn key plus F2 when laptop again going to start. In the BIOS section, tab to configuration area. Disable the Intel VMD controller option, as you can see. Just to go to the last Exit tab and save changes and exit. And again, boot your Lenovo laptop from bootable USB drive. And follow the setup wizard. As you can see, hard drive partition show in partition area. Just create partition your hard drive and select your desired partition and install window. Thanks for watching video. If you like video, subscribe and like.